What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. In today's video, it's another sad one. As you guys can see from the title, the Turbo Civic is dead. RIP the Turbo Civic. Essentially what happened is I got into an accident with the car. The car is written off now. Don't worry, it wasn't your boy's fault. So we're good with that, but the car is written off, so I cannot be driving it anymore. I'm gonna throw in some clips quickly of just a photo of the accident and then just what the car looked like. It got rear-ended pretty hard and the car is done. So I put together a little clip, some clips that I had before, just a good time from the Civic. So thank you guys for the love and the support. We're at 96 subscribers right now. Come on, let's run it up to 100, because I'll do something crazy for the 100 subscriber special. And if you guys like this style of content, make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and RIP the Civic. Peace. What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV French, and y'all know the vibes in today's video. Pretty big, so it's pretty fresh.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep.
Here's the final product. All the intercooler piping is in.
Every time she goes to
Look at the sound though, it's so quiet.
when she was just a girl, she expected